Awo, St. Lucia. Upon the attacky boy. Fredericks. That is Baba Apa here, sir. The man that insinuate you. Yeah, man. Them big words you using there, boy. Break it down, boy. I go to big school using them big words towards me, man. You're a fool, man, guys. Stop exposing yourself to the public, man, to the nation, and to the world, man. You know the whole world listen to Apa before you? Put that clip out there tonight. Even before Apa was on talk show, the whole world knew Apa, you know, Rasta. Get your facts right, you know, Fredericks. Your informant is a pussy, man. Your informant tell you from Shantytown. Fredericks, let me give you my history, man. I is from Vieux-Fort, man, and I was raised in Micoud, man. The community you ran away from, man, and you went to Castries, man. Yeah, man. Micoud, and you hardly come and visit, man. Yeah, man, that is why I was raised, man. That is the Apa, man. That is the Baba Apa, man. You want to know about me? Ask Micoud about me, man. You can ask Vieux-Fort about me. Vieux-Fort know to fuck about Apa. You want to know about Baba Apa? Ask Micoud about Baba Apa, and they go tell you who the fuck I am, Fredericks. Yeah, man. Yeah, and I care with what you say, man. You understand? With your insurance for your big house and your big thing is sleeping comfortable at night. You understand? I give you praises to the Most High. I go get it by the wayside, I go sleep. I've slept everywhere, Rasta. So you show me a big house and it's well insured. Fire can burn that. Or you can burn that, you understand? A slight wind can just pass and your roof gone. Insurance? That is material thing. You come and talk about vanity. I have a bed to lay his head upon every night. And I give Jack thanks and praises for that. It's assurance from the Most High that when wicked men like y'all come across me, when I expose all wickedness and all wicked men like y'all to protect me from y'all, guys. Yeah. You know, Apa? And when I was being charged for the Facebook case, you send your number for Marcella to give Apa and her son. You don't know Apa? You forget you wanted to go and represent us and for us to come on your talk show. That is the same Baba Apa that day. Yeah, Baba, Majina Pale. Ouais, moi monte. Moi pega mati, moi pe Baba, moi pas ka mati. Quoi que la dit. I know you still speaking the Creole because you live in Micoud, you go Castries. Yeah, my whole youth in Micoud, Fredericks, Micoud. Yeah, and I'm from Shantytown. I'm from the Kalime. Yeah, Bakoko. Yeah. That piece of land Josie backfield there. Yeah, by the bright people of Ambia and True Value. That's where apart from, you know. They play the hot thing. And anytime you invite for for drink and come and tell me what you have to tell me personally, man. Apa don't no grudge. Yeah, man. I have freedom of speech and I speak as I see it accordingly, man. No favors, no bias, man. No political affiliation. Straight. You are in government. What you do for people? Huh? You ain't do no housing. You don't want to move Shantytown. Huh? You don't do no housing complex. Nothing. Huh? Low rent for the people. You understand? What the alternative when they move them Shantytown? Huh? What you CDC in Castries? You was there. Why do you do the CDC? Why you build some new CDCs of the Gozile Highway? Huh? Someplace else. Why you didn't do that for the poor people of Castries? Do you know how much poor people coming from out of town? In the rural areas? And come down Castries for work and thing. Why you don't do them things? No, high rise. Multi-billion investment, man. Yeah, that is what you're interested in. And you're coming and crying all this for people. When the party, when Flabo party put you out as outcast, they throw you out. You come and talk about you talking on behalf of poor people? Apa not talking on behalf of poor people. Yeah. Apa. That is why you all be holding grudge and quick to answer Apa when Apa talk. Because the truth have to be revealed, you know? Yeah, man. You know, last night when I was running your mouth trying to make your money, I was sleeping in his bed. Yeah. I was sleeping because I contented every little thing I have, Rasta. It's up a quarter to 4. So ça safe vient au gouvernement. Ou quoi essential cas you me vote encore? You get voted again, guys. So stand up talk show and run your mouth for you and make your dollars, guys. And I tell you, I take it personal, man. Anytime you vote, man, come at Apa's place, man, and drink some dog or whatever you're drinking, man. Yeah, man. Falco is my partner too, man. Ask Falco about Apa, man. Apa ain't no fake. Equalize and justice for once and all. You understand? Even I tell you, you go be dashing in the labu, in the lago, in your arm, wherever, by JJ's. You ain't telling me that nothing? Huh? The man telling me go eat stale Chinese food again. You ain't telling me that nothing? So it's Apa. Because Apa say, can you take your visa and thing and his opportunities that you eat so much? Huh? You want to attack the Rasta man? Well, boy. My back large, man, Fredericks. Good show last night, man, still, man. And thank you for making me more popular, man, as you said, man. Yeah, man. Me could still, man. When last you come down, me could visit the people. I was there yesterday. Yeah. You'll forget where you'll come from. I never forget his roots, man. Yeah. And you'll have been in position to help your community. You'll never do it, guys. So watch Miku. You are the Minister of Housing. What you did in Miku? You help Miku people to get their land in the park. Huh? You do anything like that? You do nothing for Fredericks, guys. Want a little favors you'll do for people, guys. And expect back and then you'll now you'll come and talk about you'll for poor people. Well, thank you for being for poor people, guys. If now you for poor people, respect, guys. But you could have been for poor people longer, guys, and done things for poor people all around the island, guys, and you never did, guys. Check it. And now you want to attack Apa? Yeah, man, that's Apa, man. Bava Apa, man. I'm from Mikudan, Vieux-Fort. Where you from? Cassidy, what type people you from? Yeah, what type people you from Mikuda? Oh, the Kablikos are sorti. Well, yeah, you'll shut up that little rasta. Just do positive, guys. If you'll do wrong, the little rasta you'll back, guys, because you're man in society, you're man in system, rasta. Yeah. You'll have your TV show and you'll come and talk to the people and try and full up the people mind and thing. I not on that, guys. My talk show now when I come is reality. What that bother the people? What that the people don't know about, and I know that what I telling them, guys, Fredericks. Yeah. You come and show my little house. Gaza, well, Gaza, if you feel my condition of living not good, Fredericks, as you say, I take donation from politicians. You jackass, I take donation from politicians, and my house would be like that, huh? Then Apa, boy, I take no situations, boy. I accept no bribe, no corruption. Yeah, that is Bava Apa. And you're fucking informant. Tell them I'm not from Shantytown. I'm from Mikud, Vieux-Fort. Yeah, I'm from the Edward family, Charles family. Yeah. Hey, Bride, my uncle Noel is my fucking father. Yeah, Noel. Yeah. Yeah. Wilburn was my grandfather. And Morales was my grandmother. May their soul rest in peace. These are the people you have to come and fight against when they're coming up against Apa, man. The ancestors. Yeah, man. And all the island. All the world. Yeah. That prayer not giving me guidance, man. That is those people that have to come and fight against, man. I give a fuck about y'all, man. The truth have to reveal, man. Et juk ba toujou di sou pije, ele Fredericks. So, ou mouche mou te pije, ou ele fwa ou. Ou suppose sati a yon ou because ou ele. Me apak a boy ta glow la ou, oui, man. Mwen me ou ele, man, Fredericks. Saint Lucia, boy, the show was out last night, boy. While the man making this money, I'm sleeping, boy. And this morning, boy, Fredericks, I get calls and I get things from fun so much, yeah. I know it's the haters that call and say talk enough shit about Apa, man. Apa don't give a fuck about the haters, man. They can do me no harm, man, you know. If you want to entertain the haters, Fredericks, that is a problem, man. I just get things from the haters to talk about on my show, but I don't do it, man. Straight. Yeah, man. I talk about equal rights and justice, man. For one and all. Whoa! Not equal rights and justice for the rich and the middle class and the poor man you say you're representing in the same condition or worse. I'm proud to be a poor money. Yeah. I'm not poor physically, I'm not poor mentally, My health good. Yeah, spiritually I'm not poor. Yeah. Monetary right, I may be poor. Because that's what y'all worship. Yeah, you're systematic people, that's what y'all give your soul for. But Apa have his soul. Yeah. Let me ask you a question. You have your soul, Fredericks? I don't have no big house to show you. I don't have no big plate of food to show you. Even though I had, I wouldn't show you. I had that type of man. It's your love excitement, you understand? It's your know what you'll do for your earthly things. So that's my business. Remember Percy from Miku? Remember Percy from Miku? Huh? Remember Miku people? Pa jalou yo, ou pa sav ki sa yo fe pou en kayo. Pa jalou yo. Remember that Calypso from Miku? Huh? Come back to your roots, guys, and rethink, boy. That's what Apa just send you and do, guys. You come and try and play, you want to put Apa down. The world know Apa. Yeah, and it's shameful you don't know Apa. You pretending you don't know Apa. But you know who the fuck Apa is, because from the time the talk show on, you have made your investigation the same way you send your cameraman and take my photo and all the fuck about my house. You know who the fuck Apa is. Yeah. Come out and let them know you know who Apa is. Don't come and pretend. Only jackass go believe you, guys. Apa raising Miku, Apa have a talk show for over 2 years. You know who is Apa? And you send your number down to represent Apa in court? Oh. Well, Kenyan Tony represented me, man, alongside Arrow, man, and Mr. Mondesi, man. Yeah, man. That's my barristers, man. You take offense in whatever I said about you, Rasta? That is you, man. He's a man of the law. Do what you wanna do, man. Yeah, man. Respect, man. St. Lucia, as I always tell you all, the wicked must expose in the presence of the Most High. Yeah, man. And day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, second by second, they have been exposed. Both physically and spiritually. Yeah, I seen y'all. Yeah. And send y'all evil behind Appa, man, however y'all want, man. Y'all give me life as I tell y'all, can't take my life. Yeah, straight. And I tell y'all, if I want to represent people honestly and fairly. And I don't have to tell you your shortcomings, Fredericks. You know all your shortcomings, Rasta. Yeah. Yeah. And you don't know nothing about Appa, as I tell you, pussy. You don't know nothing about Appa. Go down, Miku. When you see that talk show, when your daughter send that talk show for you, body right, go down, Miku by the sea, and ask who the fuck is Appa, man. And you know about Appa, man. Don't let Vivotion come and tell you bullshit about Appa. Take photo of my fucking business and show you. What the fuck? Are you coming down on Appa, man? Are you coming down on Appa? I tell you, any trap, anything y'all set for Appa, it be falling y'all first. Yeah, man. Appa fear no evil, man. Any arms raised against me will never prosper, man. My father tell me that, man. And I give a fuck about the wicked, man. Yeah, man. Happy you came out, man, Fredericks, man. Respect, man. Be a better man, man. Be a better man. There's space for changing all, man. And the little space you have, or the big space you have, or the medium space you have, whatever space you have in your life to be a better man. Be a better man for the people, Rasta. And don't try and take on Appa, man. Yeah, man. You're wasting your time, Rasta. Yeah. Do better things with your time, man. And thanks for the publicity, man. Yeah, man. Shafne did it first, man, with his policeman. You're not the first, man. Yeah, man. Straight. Whoa! I don't give a fuck, man. I ain't rely on government for nothing. All the pictures of what they send for you, that is my fucking sweat that do that, man. Never rub no fucking, man. Straight. So however you want to take it, man. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, man. All wickedness, all wrong, in a Babylon, I have to be exposed, Gaza. Yeah, man. That's why I'm a voter, man. So I can use my voice. Yeah, man. I'm displeased with what's going on in the country. And I go talk about it, man. And I give to fuck. Try and take my life, man. Yeah, man. I give them too much of my time already, said Lucia, man. I'm gonna deserve that, man. Bumbo clock, man. Sure. Yeah. Now politics time in Viewfort because that man don't have me on his politics already. So politics time in Viewfort, Rasta. I have 5 candidates coming up for Viewfort. UWP. I can on the ground campaigning already. All shanty tongue everywhere. Just not even there. The people y'all bought last election. They're going back home to Kenyan Tony as yeah. They please the committee you have in place in Viewfort. Yeah, them man ain't doing nothing for them, so they're going back to Kenyan Tony, man. That is how it is, straight, man. Yeah. I'll have Claude Charlemagne, Roger Winters, the mayor, and Sabi Valmo. And before we Flobaba secret weapon, you know. In charge of security. Yeah, that is the 5th man in charge of security in the country, man. He undercover still, but I get information already, understand? So as I tell you, we have Roger Winters, we have Claude Charlemagne, we have that Sabi Valmo girl, we have the mayor, and we have the undercover man, I tell you all. Yeah, the chief of security, Roman Gill Francis. Yeah, man. Confirm that for me, Roman Gill. If you come in, if you're on the Viewfort seat too, man. Straight. I want to know. Yeah. So I allow is the executive to have to handpick, you know, whoever will represent Viewfort. But back in the days, it was not so. As we used to have a by-election and we select whoever we want in an election. It's not 6 men come and say, well, they're sending Roger up, or they're sending Claude up, or they're sending the mayor up, or Roman Gill. You understand? Sabi, you understand? Nah, man. There'll be bias, man, and prejudice in that man, Rasta. Straight, man. Frederick, listen to the uneducated man, you know. You idiot. Thank you for exposing yourself last night, man. We should have a by-election, man, and we select whoever we want to represent, man. Straight. Yeah, man. After the executive, even working for the people. Everybody are elected in the Viewfort, you don't pick executive. All them man is one branch, you know. Before the election, all man know who they voting for already. You understand? They know the executive already. You understand? So now, I is the executive that bringing in the mayor. Yeah. So obviously it's the mayor that will get the pick because it's the executive that bring in the mayor. That is their people. But my mayor, I telling you, you're a lady I've grown fond of. I have a lot of love for you with the stories my mother have given me about you, understand? And you don't know how much I love you, understand? You understand? I don't get involved in that, my lady. You have served the people, you have served the Caribbean, the OECS, you have worked. You understand? Don't get involved in them politics thing, man. You have been mayor of Vieux-Fort. That's enough, man. Don't get involved in that. Don't get your name tarnished in that, man. You understand? I don't know you as a bad lady. I never know negative thing about you. Don't let me hear nothing. You understand? Straight. Tell them executive people to come out straight, man. It's time for all them corruption things to stop, man. In a Babylon, man. You understand? So Lord do it right Vieux-Fort, man. Yeah, man. That is a city one bad. So Lord do it right, man. So the people can rally for right, man. Not with wrong, man. I know how to encourage no man to rally for wrong. You understand? If I have been wrong. Straight. I say that, man. With no apology, man. Equal rights and justice for once and all, man. Stop touching the money, man. You understand? In this system is the money that bringing people forward, you know, in material things, you understand? So the money you're thieving, man, use it properly, man. They have drains that need to be repaired, man. They have columns, you know, that have sinks, you know, and them things need to be repaired, you understand? Yeah, man. The council need brooms, barrows, everything, mass, proper tire for the workers, you understand? Overall and thing. They'll use them money constructively, man. Yeah, man. And tell you, sure, work start on St. Jude's, boy. Them small doors, the Labour Party constructors that build. The bursting doors at St. Jude's, you know, doors opening wider, you know. That's what have to happen, man. You can't have people crump, man, because you irie and you feel in your big house. Nothing can happen to your big house. Ja rule, Rasta. Ja rule. Me not sleep in my house closed. My door open. Anyone who feel they want to do upper arm, come forward. Yeah. But I know Ja guide upper, you understand? No harm can befall me. Straight. Yeah. When they're in your big house, they'll have burglar bars. They'll have security alarm. Where y'all fucking peace of mind? Ja put y'all on that earth for that fucking stupidness? Jackasses. Y'all as well inshore? So a stump pass, your roof fly, a galvanized fly your neck. Fucking ass, your house well inshore. Well, when this storm will pass, I will not even be in the world this storm. Yeah. Tika like I quasi, et apparence kay vie fait même monnaie à fort. Ouais, et zo, galvanized on y glass choice go kay zot lai. Zo pure kay zot pas sorti because on the burglar bad, ça zo pay. What y'all afraid of? Y'all wickedness y'all afraid of. It will follow y'all wherever y'all go. Yeah. Y'all wickedness must follow y'all. Yeah. And Frederick, your talk show is, can I help you? Well, you can help Papa, Rasa. Papa can put bribe, Rasa. You can help Papa. No, sorry, man. Kite mwen soufos mwen tika mwen fwo. Ouais, allez bonk mwen. Mwen pa nan kouche, Rasa. Un shit pla mwen pou mwen fè bel bonk mwen bine mat la mwen sa, Rasa. Mwen konfortab, Rasa. Lò you ken ka pase, mwen bedon mi, Rasa. Or ken do you di ka pase ya fwo. En toi l'année, c'est celle qui m'a levé 8 bon matin, ya ça. Ou check qui là? Mais donc il confortable ya ça. Mané pour robot ya ça. Là ni c'est ancestors. Ka veti rasta ça là. Tout ça il fait. So when you'll expose, I love that guy, so Ja work still continue, man. Straight, man. And as I tell you, the work start St. Jude's. Yeah, that's the only thing that starting before already. Nothing on the airport, just that private jet thing that building there, nothing much, you understand? So, as I tell you, St. Lucia, don't let them fool you, you know. They always say they for the poor. But they giving a little only to deceive you. The Majesty say that. They only give a little just to deceive you. So beware of them, you understand? Straight. I fear no evil. Yeah, man. Jah is here and I guide and I shield, man. So when you all roar, my father roaring loud down. Y'all mothers. Apa out, man. St. Lucia, y'all done no, man. Peace. Equal rights and justice, someone and all. Apa